Hi people, I'm in the Highgate and I'm here to visit a celebrity's house that passed away. So yeah, George Micheal's. So shall we take a quick look where he used to live? Of course, that one there. That's where he used to live. Again, respect privacy. So yeah, this is George Micheal lived in London. Yeah, that house there. So yeah, that's where George Micheal lived. Looks empty at the moment. They're doing some renovations by the looks of it there as well. So yeah. That pub there as well, the Flask, is apparently where George Micheal actually used to drink. So yeah, that used to be his local watering hole apparently. Apparently it's haunted as well. So here is George Micheal's grave. George's, and then his mum and his sister that died on Christmas Day as well, 2019, 3 years after her brother.